everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I slay my nails right here at home. The first thing I do is start with a clean bed of nails. So you want to wash them with soapy water and scrub your nail bed and underneath. Then you want to dry them off really well. Then you want to take some type of oil, whether it's sunbeam oil, coconut oil, vitamin E will be excellent to use, and apply it to your cuticles of your nails and rub it in. You want to massage that in really good so that it will soften up those cuticles. So I've done all those things already. So let's talk about the nails that I'm going to be applying today. I picked these nails up from my local Walmart's drugstore. They had a sale going on, buy one get one half off. I picked these up for $5 and got the other one for $2.50. So this is what it looks like. It comes with a little tube of glue as well. Now this is from a previous pack. And as you can see, I've already cut my nails down. You also want your nails to be kind of low. I'll share with you the things that I'm going to use to complete this DIY. So of course you need the nails. And glitter and silver. I also have some bling. And these are just some bling gems. So I may use those. And then at the dollar store, they sell little nail decals and stuff at the Dollar Tree. And I wanted to give these a try. And then I have a collection of nail colors. I have a silver here in Wet n Wild. And then I have a purple in the cold, and it's called Star of the Party. And then I have like a purple color and clean color, and it is called Purple, and it's number 72. A clear polish, gel polish here. Nail clippers. these are like stiletto nails. No tip there, but they're still short. Oh, excuse me, I almost knocked that over.